2016 Honda Creek VXAWD White Diamond Pearl service performed by John Sinclair Nissan. BG engine performance restoration. It dissolves deposits, prevents sludge buildup, and restores fuel economy and throttle response. Replaced air filter. New tires. CVT transmission service. BG CVT fluid, cleaner and conditioner. Replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies. BG fuel system cleaner restores vehicle performance and power. New wiper blades. BG Advanced Formula W/MOA stabilizes oil viscosity, sludge and varnish. New oil filter and 5,000 mile synthetic oil change. Winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive. Brake fluid service. Replaced all old fluid. Replace rear brake pads and resurface rotors. Optional equipment. Heated seats, power driver seat, power moonroof, rear view camera. 25/31 city/highway MPG.